Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be going through my March portfolio review for my Trading 212 and Coinbase account. This is me investing as an apprentice where I'll show you the steps and the process that I'm going through to invest, my investing journey. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go. Having a quick look at March as a whole, it's been quite a bad month, especially towards the end of the month. This is mainly because of the tariffs that Trump has imposed, causing things like the S&P 500 to drop so much, nearly losing about $4 trillion in just the last week. So it's been very bad come the end of it. February was a bit on and off. March, the start of March was, slowly dropping, then it began to recover. Then it just shot down, and early April is looking the same. It's looking even worse. So far, my portfolio has dropped around £500 this month. I'm not that worried because, I'm expecting to go back up. I'm in this for the long term. I'm talking 10, 20, 30, 40 years. So this really shouldn't affect me, but it's just nice to see green instead of red. So I'm now going to head over to my Trading 212 account to show you the progress. So this is the main dashboard on my Trading 212 account. As you can see, I've put in about £4,200 and I'm hoping to increase this as the year goes on. As you can see, the stock market is down quite a lot. I'm based in the UK and I have, a mixture of stocks, but as you can see, everything is down due to what's happening in America with the tariffs. A lot of my things are down. Some of them, are down, what, 15, 30%, 15%. And as you can see in this last week, I'm down nearly £350, which is a big drop. This, hopefully will recover soon, but there's nothing that I can really do apart from be patient. So some of my recent buys have been buying more into Google just because they are quite a low point. As you can see, they've been dropping a lot, 6% this last week. I've bought into some Rolls Royce because they've dropped a lot. I bought some Robinhood because they look good for the future. And I've also bought some Greggs from the UK because the dividend date is coming up soon and it looks like quite a good price at a very cheap price, down 37% just this year alone. When things hopefully recover, I'm looking to sell out of this big bear at AI. It's a bit of a risky thing and I really want to get out of it, get about 80 quid back from that. I'm looking to get out of SoFi as well because that's quite similar to Robinhood and I'd rather go all in on Robinhood and take the money out of SoFi. I'm also looking to get rid of maybe my Amazon just to concentrate more on Google and Nvidia, but I will see what happens in the future with that. So the stocks that I'm looking to buy into, because a lot has dropped, I'm looking at Realty Income just for that monthly dividend payment. I'm looking at buying more VG properties again in the rate sector. I'm looking at Pepsi, which is always a good dividend king, and I'm looking at either Procter and Gamble or Unilever. Unilever looks a bit better just because there won't be that FX impact. I'm also looking at ASML, which is quite low right now, only 40% down this year, and it's something that it's a chip producer that will really become beneficial in the future. So that's everything from my Trading 212 account. As you can see, I'm down quite a lot. Even this month, it's even more. But all I can do is stay consistent, keep investing, and keep collecting those dividends because that's the way that I will grow, and that's the way that my portfolio will continue to grow. We'll now have a look at the payments I have received for this month in March. So here we have the dividend income for March that I've received. As you can see, I've made about £1.50, which isn't much, but just starting my dividend investing journey, this will, start the snowball, which will become to get bigger and bigger and bigger as I reinvest dividends and continue to grow them. As you can see, it's not Google paid out quite a lot, but I have quite a lot of shares. Here at the bottom, the daily dividend amount 57 pence, where I've put £300 in. I would say this is more of a gimmicky thing. I did think it was something I could trust by putting in, getting a dividend daily, but you have to put in so much money just to get pennies daily that it's not really worth it. If you're looking for long term, you're better off putting your money into a more diversified portfolio and then getting those bigger dividend payments quarterly. I think you'll benefit much more in the future and you'll be able to receive much better dividends and grow further. So looking at April as a whole, I'm only expecting Nvidia and VG properties Nvidia is only going to be about 8 pence, which isn't much. BG Properties will be about £1.50, which is a nice payment. Other than that, I've got nothing else for April. Hopefully, in the coming months, I'll be able to earn more and more and more. But right now, I've only got two companies that I'm looking to get paid from. So my plans for April are as follows. For things that I want to buy, I'm looking to continue to buy into my S&P 500 ETF. Every time I get paid, I'm just looking to put in £200 without thinking about it. I'm also thinking about, having my eye on Unilever or P&G and J&J. I want to diversify and make sure that my portfolio sort of spreads into loads of different avenues to make sure that if the market does drop, I'm not affected just by having all my money in one field. For sales, I'm looking to clean up basically. I want to get rid of BBAI and I want to take my money out of SoFi. I want to spread that around. The same with my money from the daily dividend pie. I had about £450. I'm looking to spread that around and get rid of that money and sort of make sure that everything is equal and that because that would benefit me for the future. So thank you for watching the video. I hope it has helped. Hopefully you've picked up something from this and you'll learn from this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and I'll try and make more videos like this, and please leave a comment below. If you want more help with your apprenticeship journey, or if you want to know how to get an apprenticeship, click the link below where I have a PDF on how to get an apprenticeship with all the steps and tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.